So this is a BC brass batten holder. It has the hole spacings here, which actually mean that it's compatible with a BESA box. So that's the correct spacing for a standard conduit box. So it's got a shade ring, which means you can secure a shade onto the lamp holder. It has an earth terminal here, which you can see. I'll just take this union ring off. So the cable entry would be through the underside. Live and neutral go into these two terminals. Because it's bayonet, it doesn't matter which terminal you put the blue and the brown in. And then the earth terminal is here. So the earth wire goes into the back here and is secured in that lug there. The insert goes back like that. And then you've got these pips here which just line up and then allowing you to secure down the union ring and then the main shade ring after that. So that is our BC brass batten holder.